Myself, Shivakumar. I'm from Tiruvannamalai. You know, well, me. Okay, I'll come to this subject directly. It is a very good day, and I thought today, what can I do for the students, especially who are studying in college, and for the best thing I can help them with my little knowledge. This is about the data science, machine language, and a few important details I would like to share here. Today I shared a URL in WhatsApp. I just go ahead with a few details which I would like to explain here for the students to make that efficient and utilize for their studies. In our days, we started with a book, reference book, let us see, or C by Balagurusamy. This was around 240 pages, I guess. So I need to go 240 pages to study all those content, to memorize it, and to program it, to write a program, and score the marks. There is one more book which is called Let Us See by Kanishkar. That's also a very nice book. There are a lot of examples which is uh, provided there. But later in today's world, nobody have a time to study all the pages of the book. It is better to have a kind of reference document, let's say plug and play. How we are doing this plug and play. So the case sheet are nothing but the plug and play, I would say. If you know the concept theoretically well, then no need to think about it, how you can memorize the syntaxes or how you can write the structure of the program, right? So the better thing is if you have a kind of a reference sheet which is available, which can we can make use of them and directly cut, copy, paste, and we can use it. How we can provide a blueprint before constructions of a home or a house or a room or an apartment. Similar like that in IT world, in IT terminology, the case sheets are the one. It's a blueprint for any programming languages, databases, applications, and so on. Okay, I'm directly come to this subject now. This is the website. It has 100 plus of case sheet for data science and machine learning. Okay, there are two things with programming and machine learning. There is minute difference between them. That is a huge subject. We will talk later. Actually, I'll directly come to this website, and you can able to see the machine learnings. Right, these are the algorithm. Actually, you can able to see the Python and R code for this, and it has all these algorithm. The algorithm is nothing but you just provide an input and you can make use of the algorithm. You need to pass your parameter to the algorithm, the right algorithm, and which will produce your result here. These are the algorithm about the machine language. They have mentioned with Python code and R code. What you can do is only thing. What you can do is you need to cut, copy, paste it. Actually, let's say I would say this is the algorithm. This is the sheet. Your machine language classified under supervised learning and supervised reinforced. This is a great subject actually. So I'll cover with these machine language on the case sheet. You can just copy this code and paste it there actually. And the this is with the the variances actually. For getting you into better understanding on the machine language, definitely you need to know the concept of statistics. So when machine learning was in a great boom, everyone they registered for machine learning. So once they know about the importance of the statistics, without statistics, machine learning won't be either good to understand it actually. Then most of them they don't want to study statistics. They left it actually, left out. So the statistics very key important. You know about how the data, how the sampling, the small sampling, the large sampling, and median mode, and a lot of concepts actually that you need to know, regression, correlation, everything. So I'm sure you definitely you know about this case sheet. This case sheet will have all this about your machine learning, and you can understand the concept well. And the regression, everything it is written in R and this Python actually. Okay, any person who want to learn or work in machine learning, they need to familiarize either use either Python or R. Code you can code both together, right? So a lot of things actually you can see this one a lot of things actually how you can model your using or this is the next advanced thing on the neural network. Right now we are in AI with the chat GPT, LLM model, large language model. For large language model, this is the base of the neural network is also part of that actually along with ML neural network. Okay, this comes under basics of your deep learning. There is minute differences between machine learning, deep learning, neural NLP, natural language processing. Now we are in LLM, large language model. So, for if you want to study AI or ChatGPT, your base would be machine learning. Your base will be statistics. From statistics, you need to start. So, if you go through this site, it has a lot of things. You have questions. How this is useful for me, right? How this is useful for me in my project or in my studies. Okay, let's say you are in SQL. I'm just taking the SQL, right? You are working with the SQL. Let's say I'm just downloading the SQL. See, in front of you, I am downloading SQL. So see this. This is a SQL sheet. This is a basic coding and how you want to data model. So the SQL have three things, right? DLL, DML, and other thing transaction language. Okay, and you want to see this is thing using this is very easy for you. You just know about the what is join, what is thing, and what are the functions reporting that used, right? So if you go through this, it has a Python exploration also. So if you don't know about Python, if you want to study Python, no need to go with all the things in Python. Just only download this Python. Okay, once you download the Python, okay, here, this is the part. So instead of studying tons and tons of books with a huge number of pages, there is no need of. You can do it with the Pandas, MATLAB, NumPy. This is the case sheet actually. What you need to do is you can just copy this and paste it, and you can do it. That's it. For that, you can install Jupyter Note or Anaconda. That is free downloadable. You can do it. You can cut copy this and paste it. You can do your exercise with Python. This is pretty good easy about the case sheets. So I will cover up in other section, go in a deeper way. But now you can go ahead with this case sheet. This is more useful. Anyway, I'm sharing this link in our WhatsApp link. Go through this. Thank you.